SBA Publications.
Hello my dear Bacha Party, how are you all? I am totally good and I hope you all are doing very good in your homes. So today we will start chapter number 1, that is pre-number concepts. That's a very amazing topic. So start. So I have a question that what is pre-numbers? We know the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and what are the pre-numbers? The concepts we will learn before the numbers to understand the numbers. So, वो सारे कॉन्सेप्ट जो हमें एक नंबर पढ़ने से पहले पढ़ने चाहिए उन्हें हम कहते हैं प्री नंबर कॉन्सेप्ट्स। जैसे कि आपको यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर दे रखी है, इट्स द पिक्चर ऑफ अ गार्डन, सो वेलकम टू द गार्डन। सो हियर इज अ बॉय, a cat, or maybe it's a squirrel, a dustbin, a ball, a rabbit and a fat boy. See, so here is the activity. We have to learn and get a warm-up type. See and circle the following: the small tree, the fat child, the big dustbin, the light ball and the heavy animal. Here there are some adjectives like small, fat, big, light and heavy which are showing some appearance. See, the small tree means small tree, chota पेड़. The fat child, मोटा बच्चा. The big dustbin, the light ball, हल्की गेंद. The heavy animal, एक भारी भरकम जानवर. So, इन कंसेप्ट से पता क्या चलता है कि काफ़ी ऐसी चीज़ें होती है जो हमें बिना नंबर्स के भी पता चलती है. जैसे कि ये कुछ है, ये इतना है, ये हल्का है, ये थोड़ा है, ये ज़्यादा है. So, let's perform the activity. First of all, we have to find the small tree. So, where is the small tree? This one or this one? On my right hand side or my left hand side? Obviously, on my left hand side. So, this is a small tree. The next is the fat child. So, is this a fat child or is this a fat child? That red t-shirt boy is a fat child. So, I am circling this. Now, the big dustbin. Where is the big dustbin? Let's find out. Yeah, I get it. It's here. The big dustbin. Now, the light ball. The light ball. See. So, where is the light ball? Yeah, I got it. It's with the rabbit. So, next is the heavy animal. So now we have to find a heavy animal. Is this squirrel is a heavy animal? Or is this a rabbit is a heavy animal? Yes, the rabbit is a heavy animal. So we have completed this activity and moving further, new topic, that is a bigger and smaller. See, bigger, बड़ा, इससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, and the smaller, छोटा. Likewise, मैं छोटी हूँ, मेरी बड़ी बहन मुझसे बड़ी है, उससे बड़ी उससे बड़ी है, मुझसे छोटी वाली मुझसे small है. So, the bigger and smaller refers to the size. This is a big papaya and this is a small cherry. So now this cute doll is teaching us that this papaya is bigger than cherry. Papaya is bigger than a cherry. So now we are moving to the next activity where we have to take the bigger object, take the smaller object. So in the question 1, it's saying take the bigger object. बड़ी वाली चीज जो भी आपको यहाँ पे बड़ा दिख रहा है. So, is this giraffe is big, or this cute cat is a big? In this fan is big, or this light is big. So, see, this giraffe is bigger than a cute cat. So, we will take the giraffe column. And in this picture, we are seeing that this fan is bigger than this light. So, we have to tick on the fan circle. Very good. I know you all have given the good and correct answer. So, the next question is take the smaller object. In this picture, what are you seeing? 2 fishes? And tell me now, which one is a smaller object, smaller fish? Is this or this? Yeah, you are right. This pink cute fish is a smaller than a bigger one. And in this picture, this bag is bigger than this, and this wallet is smaller than a bag. So, we will take the smaller one. Now, the another activity, that is a fun activity. So, bring your colors from your bag. So, color the bigger object as red and the smaller as pink. So, which one of them is a big? This one or this one? Yes, you are right, my dear Bacha Party, this one. So, here I am coloring the bigger one, bigger umbrella with the red color, and this is the homework that you have to color this smaller one. So, let me color it. I hope you all are coloring in your respective books. Now it's looking like a beautiful and a cute umbrella. So, we are moving to the another topic, that is longer and shorter. Longer and shorter. Lamba or chota. Lamba or chota. So, here is a train which is long and a short bus. A bus which is shorter than a train. Here, this monkey is saying, and monkey is making us able to understand that train is longer than bus. Is it saying true? Yes, the train is longer than a bus, as we all can see in our screen. So, taking the concept in our mind, we are doing the activity, that is, take the longer object. Here is a picture of a pen, and you will tell me that which one is the longer pen. This right hand side or this left hand side? Of course, this left hand side pen. And in this picture, this is the homework. You will tell and you will take the longer ribbon according to your knowledge. The next question is, take the shorter object. Shorter, chota. So, in this picture, what we are seeing? 2 buckets. Tell me, which one is shorter? The right one or a left one? Obviously, the left one. And here are 2 pictures of a ladder. Which ladder is the big one? Of course, this. And which one is short? Which one is smaller? This. So, a long ladder and a small ladder. A long ladder and a small ladder. Now, another fun activity for you. Bring out your colors from your bag. So, color the longer toy blue and shorter green. So here are two toys. I know you all like toys. See, this small toy and a big toy. So we have to color the big toy as blue and the shorter toy as green. Again, I am here coloring the small one, and this is your homework that you will have to color this big toy. So as mentioned in the question, I am filling the green color on this cute toy. You children have to fill the color blue in a big toy. So heavier and lighter. Here is the picture of a heavier elephant than this rabbit, and this rabbit is lighter than an elephant. So what is heavy? Heavy means भारी. भारी. अब जैसे आपको पता होगा आपके घर पे कोई गेस्ट आते हैं तो अपने साथ क्या लाते हैं? Heavy luggage and purse. And the lighter, your OS packet, your cracks packet. Okay, so this duckling is saying us the elephant is heavier than rabbit. The elephant, hathi, is heavier than a rabbit. Rabbit से भारी है. So, now performing a new activity, take the heavier object. So, here are two girls. First one is fatty and heavy, and the second one is malnutrition patient. I mean, this is a small and lighter. So, we have to take the heavier one. Which one of them is heavier? Of course, this fatty girl. And which one of this picture is heavier? Of course, this big bus. So, the next question says that take the lighter object. We have to take the lighter object. Lighter, halka. So this jackfruit and this is a potato. Which one is lighter? Think, I'm waiting. Yeah, this potato is lighter than this jackfruit. I know you don't like jackfruit. So, here is the picture of a big cat and a mouse. So, we have to tell which one of them is lighter, a mouse or a cat. Yeah, a rabbit. So, now another fun activity. Color the object red, heavier object as red and lighter object as orange. We have to see the picture and we have to tell firstly which one of them is heavier. So this big vehicle is the heavier or this auto? Of course, this big vehicle. So we have to color this picture as red because it's heavier than this. So again I am filling the color in this picture as red, and it's your homework to fill the orange color in your lighter object. So that's all for this chapter. Hope your all concepts are totally clear in your mind. Bye.